We're back. We're back from Italy after our little 24 hours round robin looking at a house. Many of you are thinking what's going on with the house in Italy. I'll let Fran update you a little bit later in this video. But for the moment, let me tell you what's going on here in the UK. So, we have sold this house. This house is now sold and we've begun to pack. Everything we have and we own now needs to go into boxes and put into storage, because there's going to be a real clash of dates between this being sold and the final day of completion for the house in Italy. Moving on. Now, Fran very kindly designated me to deal with the removal companies, which is great, and I'm happy to do it. But, oh boy, is there a massive difference in price between each one. They start from about £3,000 and they go all the way up to £12,500. Now bear in mind, we're not taking everything with us from this house, and it's only going to be one lorry load. And when I say lorry, I mean it's only 7.5 tons, so it's half a lorry compared to a full lorry. Yeah, crazy times. But what I will do, if you want to see it, I will make a video on that, because there are so many pitfalls and positives for those companies. I want to explain them all because there are customs to deal with. But I deal with customs all the time because I travel all over the world working, and I have to do an ATA carnet to get my kit out of the country. But this is slightly different because we're taking personal belongings abroad and not coming back, and we don't really want to be charged import charges. So yeah, video on that to come. I don't think any of you have met Oliver yet. This is Oliver, or we call him the Moo. So he is also coming to Italy with us, and we need to obviously take him to the vets, get all his jabs done, and there's a whole matter of paperwork that needs to go with him. So video on that to come. Remember the short video where I talked about none of our TVs actually working in the EU because they're geo-locked? So I have a solution for that, and I will make a short video. So if you did see the original short, I'll make another short video with the solution. And it's not just for the tellies, it actually sorts out every device in this house. So you'd be surprised at how many devices you own get geo-locked to the country that you buy them in. So when you take them abroad, they either don't work or you're missing half the content. That one to come, so keep an eye out for that one. So we built a solar array and an off-grid system in the house in the UK, and it needs to be dismantled and also taken to Italy and installed into that house. So there will be a video coming on that. Right, I think that's everything. I think you're all now caught up to what's going on. So I will now pass you back over to Fran, and she can tell you what happened in Italy. Laters.
We're back. We're back from Italy. We've been to see the house. We spent maybe an hour and a half there with the seller of the house, the current owner, Angelo, and with the estate agent, Mario. We crawled all over the house. We had a look in the loft. We had a look out the back there. We picked up some problems. We love it. It's brilliant. It's perfect. It's everything we wanted. It's got 3 double bedrooms. It has central heating. It has air conditioning. Whether those 2 things work, let's not borrow tomorrow's problems. But it's lovely. It comes with a parcel of land, which is roughly an acre. I'll explain more in the next video, and we'll go through a big house tour with you so that you guys can see why we've chosen it and why we love it and what our plans are. The land comes with some really well-grown trees, including a short line of olive trees, which Shane is very excited about. It's lovely. Perfect position, really close to a local village, but at the end of what I can only describe as a cul-de-sac. They don't really do cul-de-sacs in Italy, not quite like they do here. But at the end of a road, so it's quiet, it's got a bit of space, it's got fantastic views. It has Juliet balconies. It has a massive veranda that for whatever reason, is only accessible via a window at the moment. You can see where I'm going with this. But yeah, we love it. It's great. So we're gonna show you a few snippets of the video of the videos that we shot now, and then we're gonna do a big house tour with you so that we can run through what it looks like and what our vision and our dream is for it moving forward. So stay tuned and come back to us. Speak to you soon.